See how irritating it is?
So we're playing for
I did it right. Okay, go.
What kind?
Pam just checked out 2.
Oh no, got rid of that one. Dang it, dang it, dang it.
Wait. Oh.
No.
No one has it.
Okay.
Dang it. Hit you. Oh, I just lost by like 8.
Oh, dude, there's a flip card right there. I know it. Someone say it right now. Holy smokes, you can't believe it.
Come on.
Darn it.
Yes.
You have to yell it.
Give me that, Eric.
No.
Give it to me.
No. No.
Use your knees. Dig into him.
Give it to me.
No.
Give it to
No.
Give it to me.
No. No.
Go, Pam.
Do it, Pam.
Hey, Pam, look, it's food.
Give it to me. I refuse to be out.
Whoever is left holding it, whoever lets go first loses.
You're bending the spoon.
You're bending it. I have to bending the spoon. There,
Ow,
let go.
I can't let go. She's got her thumb on my hand.
Let go there.
I can't.
There, I'm not even touching you.
No.
Eric, let go.
No.
Let go. Let go.
Nope.
Let
Nope.
go.
Use your
No.
Let go. Let go. Stick your foot in his side. Let go.
There.
Gotta get him to let go somehow. Oh, yay! Spoon bent?
No, it's not. That's a strong spoon.